Good afternoon to everyone present here. It gives us a great pleasure to welcome you all to the AI Tool Tutorial Series organized by the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in PSR Indian College. The Institution Innovation Council organized by AI Tool Tutorial Series. This program is aimed to enhance students' knowledge, practical exposure, and model AI tools used in real-world applications. We extended our heartfelt gratitude to our respected Chief Patrons and Convener and Co-Convener, Ms. R. Catherine, Ms. M. Rajadarshana, and Ms. R. Rajadarshini, who will share their valuable knowledge and practice insights. We sincerely thank them for accepting our invitation and being the part of this event.
A fine good afternoon, honorable present here. So today we are going to discuss about AI tools. Okay, first of all, I start with a basic of AI. AI is an artificial intelligence, a branch of computer science which deals, it helps machine to do a work like a human. Okay. Next we are going with OpenAI Codex. It is an AI tool used for software development. It was developed in the year of 2021 by the research team of OpenAI. The main purpose of using this tool is it convert a simple English instruction into a code. For example, I want to write a code like add two numbers. It simply convert. I need to give an input or prompt in simple English. It automatically generates a code for us using various programming language like Java, Python, C, C++, so on. Okay, it's a software tool. Not only software development can use it, also students to create their own code, or they can generate a code using this app. Okay, and it reduces time and easy to find the error on it. So finally, I hope this AI tool is useful for us.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to speak about an AI tool based voter AI system which was developed by Sam Young. Next. Voter AI is a smart application that converts a spoken English, normal English into readable text, which is useful to listen the lectures, meeting, learning videos. It acts as a smart digital note taker. Next. We nowadays oftenly use YouTube for learning. We may face two types of problem. One is the video was too long, and next is speaker may have a different English accent, so we cannot get the content properly. So that's why we are using Voter AI. It converts the whole YouTube video into readable format, and we can reuse for our revision. Next. It mainly used for the students. We doesn't need to rewatch the whole video for our revision. We can read the transcript or summarize the notes. It is very useful and time saving. Next. Thank you.
And now let's see about Notebook LLM. What is Notebook LLM? While we studying, we use PDFs or notes that given by our staffs, and sometimes it's difficult to search the right answers, and maybe the notes not be clear, or we are not clear about that notes. While using this Notebook LLM AI, it retrieves correct answers and more accurate answers than what we asked from that document we uploaded on it, and it accepts only in the format of PDF or document only, and it retrieve answer from those files what we uploaded on it, and we can interact with it more efficiently. Not like a ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives an answer from the outside like Google or any other platforms, but this Notebook LLM gives an answer from the document what we uploaded on it. And it is mainly useful for students in their academic exams, and it is very important, and it is very understandable to retrieve an answer and for other purposes, and it clears more confusions on what will be the right answer, and and it improves students' knowledge without dominating their own thinking.